finer things in life.
Ow! Fiend! What are you doing in the Sultan's private bath?
Well, Iago?
I got embarrassing flaky skin, okay?
I think Sultan's more concerned about the breaking in part.
It's all his fault. He said I could use the royal bed.
One moment with the bird. You'd do anything to save your tail, wouldn't you?
Hey, if you didn't live in that moldy old hovel, none of this would be happening. In the good old days when I used to live in the palace, I had caviar manicures, a reclining chair that vibrates.
Your Highness! Your Highness! A most disturbing message. Sultan, by now you will have noticed that you are turning to stone.
Father, no!
You have been cleverly cursed by a turn a man to stone spell. And only I, Abismal, possess the cure. The fiend! Turn Agrabah over to me, Abismal, scourge of the desert, or you will be stoned by nightfall.
Oh, no! Cleverly cursed? But how?
P.S. In case you are wondering, it is your bath oils that I cleverly cursed.
Oh, well, good thing I haven't yet bathed.
I use the bath oils! It's me! I'm turning to stone!
You don't feel like you're turning to stone?
I am! It's happening! And it's all your fault! You and your hovel!
Well, we could use a new statue in the garden.
You'll miss me, won't you, Boo? Oh, cow! Go on, Joe! I'm cursed! Doom! End of the line! Game over! Do not pass go! And it's all because I took the bullets on Sultan!
Iago, relax. You may be molten, but you're not turning to stone. Abismal must be bluffing.
Really? Bluffing? Ooh! Yes! He's bluffing! I'm not turning to stone! In fact, I never felt better in all my life! Look what I can do!
Iago!
Why me? All I ever wanted was caviar, manicures, a reclining chair that vibrates. Is that so much to ask?
Genie, quick!
Hey, what's up, guys? Whoa, Iago, trying a new look? The sculpted physique. Kind of a daring fashion statement. Genie DeMilo. Stone, masculine, yet fragile. I wouldn't recommend it.
Wow! The humanity!
What's with him?
Genie, it's a curse. He's turning to stone.
Ooh, this is serious. I've got just the thing.
So you're turning to stone. It is well known that the bite of the rock ifrit will turn a man to stone. Also birds and other living creatures.
I wasn't bitten by a rocky freak.
It is the ifrit's venom which holds the spell.
Abysmal put rockafreak venom in Father's bath oils.
Well, you were an expensive purchase, weren't you, Mr. Rocky Freak? Hey! I'm talking to you. Do you think we paid too much for this guy? I hate paying too much.
It is worth any price if we can take Agrabah without confronting the genie.
I do not like this Ifrit. In fact, there is only one person I do not like more than I do not like this Ifrit. Do you know who that person is, Haru?
The genie, sir?
No, you are wrong! For it is the genie! He's always foiling my plans. In fact, I think it is worth any price if we can take Agrabah without confronting the genie.
Oh, you have a very dangerous mind, sir. I'm glad I'm on your side.
There's no cure for freak venom. I'm done for. Poor little me.
You're not done for. We'll find some way to save you.
How?
An ounce of bibbity, pinch of bobbity, and a lot of boop.
What's that stuff do?
It'll cure you.
It's asperglycerin.
Okay, drip away.
Oops. Nitroglycerin.
You jerk. So, trade the kingdom. Then Abyss will give us. No, give me the antidote. I'll be flashing feathers again.
Iago, I'm very sorry, but I just can't. You know, my people, my city. Oh, Jasmine, help me explain.
Iago, you know we would. If we could.
Oh, Iago, don't be sad. Look, gold, jewels, caviar, manicures, a reclining chair that vibrates. I'll make sure you have the best last day on earth ever.
Last day on Earth? Sorry, impending doom takes all the fun out of decadent living. All I really want now is a longer life.
We've got until sunset. I will find a way to save him.
Stone. The big deal. I'm better off as a statue. No more monkey pestering me. No Sultan bugging me about borrowing his bath oils. No more me. If I ever get out of this, I'll kiss that stupid monkey. I don't want to be Stone. I want to kiss the monkey. I want to live. I can't let it happen. I won't let it happen.
Soon, Agrabah will be under my control, and I'll...
We'll be living a life of luxury. Yes, I know.
Caviar, manicures, big hat, oh, that's the best part. Big, hat.
Hello, Abysmal, scourge of the desert.
Ah, the bird. I knew you'd be first to kiss up to Sultan Abysmal. What'd you bring me?
Well, the Sultan isn't turning to stone, see?
What?
He says the Sultan isn't...
I heard! But I am! I'm turning to stone! May I please have the antidote, then we can all get on with our lives. Especially mine!
What were you doing in the Sultan's bath oils, huh? Answer me that.
Flaky skin?
Sir, all is not lost. We will simply trade the antidote to Iago.
For what? He's a bird. He has no hat.
Who is always foiling your plans? The only person you do not like more than the Ifrit? Blue? Magical? Don't help him.
Blue, magical, fish?
The genie, Einstein! The genie!
The genie?
Our little feathered friend gets the antidote in return for bringing us Aladdin's genie. And we conquer Agrabah trouble-free.
Genius. I'm glad I thought of it.
This isn't exactly what I had in mind.
You were saying?
One genie coming right up.
Please help me. My friend is turning to stone.
He is a victim of Rocky Fruit venom.
Oh, she's good.
And only a Rocky Fruit can save him.
Huh?
A scale from a Rocky Fruit, removed and powdered, will break the spell.
Where can we get an Ifrit scale?
There should be a Rocky Fruit nearby. I sold one to a man yesterday. He paid a lot for it. Rocky Fruit call. One blow summons a Rocky Fruit. For a prize. For a bigger prize.
A woman after me own heart.
Wait! Wait!
Harold, come here! Then bring the spackle!
You shouldn't have blown that in here. The sound of the call drives the Ifrit mad with fury. It will not relent until it poisons its summoner with its venom.
Summoner? That would be you.
Corporal, it's wrong!
second bid is for the birds. Not me, I mean other birds. Now to find Genie.
Hang on! We're coming! Oh.
Look, I hate to do this to a helpless genie, but my life depends on it. In a lamp you go.
What is going on out there? That thing goes through walls like paper. The throne room. Sultan, run for cover! Aladdin! All right, we've got cover to freak scale. Now, where's Iago? What's this? Dear Aladdin, don't bother trying to find me. By the time you read this, I will be on my way to Abyss Malls. He's going to trade Genie for the antidote? He's betraying the whole city. We've got to find Iago before he reaches Abyss Malls. Come on.
All right. Time to hand over Agrabah and save your stinking feathers.
You'd do anything to save your tail, wouldn't you?
How? No, I'm just imagining things.
Anything to save your tail.
Cut that out!
Anything, wouldn't you?
Of course I'd do anything. Anybody would. Wouldn't they? Nobody wants to turn to stone, you know? Nobody wants to betray their friends. I can't do it.
Oh, sacrificing yourself to save your friends. How touching. Did I say touching? I meant stupid. I never thought you'd sink so low. You traitor.
Al, I'm not. I didn't betray you. I only almost did.
Another alibi.
The antidote. Give me the antidote.
I'm sorry. You see, our Ifrit's escaped. No Ifrit, no antidote.
Thank you for bringing us the genie, though.
You.
Iago, quick! I've got the antidote. Take it. Iago!
The perfect souvenir of my greatest triumph.
He's gone. Stone. And now, with your genie out of the way, taking Agrabah will be easy as... round with slices there.
Very easy!
Okay, fine. Go ahead and laugh, you big dumb hyena. Because once I get my hands on you...
But you can't. You're stuck in a cage, and you don't have a genie. Oh, yes, he does. For the record, Al, the bird didn't betray you. He only almost did.
All right, Iago.
Not so fast. Drop him, or I smash the bird.
Darn.
Excellent idea. Drop him or I smash the bird.
Not so fast. One false move, and I blow the horn of unpleasantness. The undead become mine to command, and you'll be torn limb from limb by their bony fingers.
What?
Impressive, huh?
Wow. Where'd you get that? Let me see.
I picked it up at the Unpleasant Boutique. Quite a bargain.
Sir, don't. It's a trick.
Here, let go my Iago.
Ooh, horn of unpleasantness. I like the horn.
How you holding up, buddy?
Abismal, master of the undead. I like the sound of that. Oh, shut up.
You've got a grip on this?
fight. Rude. Don't! Give him to me.
Don't smash that bird!
Safe!
Give me the vial! I'm turning the stone!
Think fast!
Give me that!
Young, you were gonna sacrifice yourself for Agrabah. I'm sorry I doubted you.
Thanks. Get off. Off! Don't ask me to explain this.
All right, Yago's back.
Oh, and acting strange.
No. No.
Your scales. Give me your scales.